Hello guys, this is a continuation of the video I made while I was coming back from Zoom Mini in Okwa East local government area of Abia State, and this place is known as Akpaa Mbato. Akpaa Mbato is located within Ovom in Obingwa local government area of Abia State, and I'm heading down to Lga Abia, from which I find my way back to Umuahia. So this is what the road from Akpaa Mbato to to Lga in Abia looks like in 2026. As you can see, it's a clean road with you see some roadside shops and quite green grasses, around the road or beside the road, sorry. So kindly watch the video. Maybe you're from here and you haven't been home in a long time. You can use the opportunity to see how all this area looks like, even though I didn't start going into the village. Like I said, I'm heading to Lga in Abia. So this is how everywhere is, and you can see that's I think a primary school or a secondary school along the road. Normal. I don't know why we say for Igbo land we always get schools where they very close to the road. If you're going to Akwa Ibom from Ikwano in Abia State, you still pass through, on the road you still see a school. That's not the only place. We always see schools close to the road, to the highway in Igbo. So guys, if you're from here, like I said, you can tell me in the comment section. This is the place where we used to have the block votes. Back then, the block votes, block votes, all Obingwa. Asina vote Obingwa na Abia, ebenda lili sochakwana Obingwa local government area in Abia State. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above. This video is going to end somewhere around, I think, the Ovom mechanic village, just very close to the Ovom mechanic village. The road is in a terrible condition. The road is very bad there, but government has been trying. Of course, government side they face a side. The government is really trying, and we are hoping that the government will still do more, and very soon get fix here the Ozan, just very close to the Ovom mechanic village, just very close to the gate. The road is bad, very terrible. So guys, kindly watch down to the end if you can, and tell me what you think in the comment section. You tell me if I passed your area. Tell us in the comment section.